Hey my beautiful loves, it is Ashley Love here, and I am super duper excited today because I have a Marshalls haul. I apologize for not getting a video up recently besides Universal Yums, but I have been in the process of moving. So I went to Marshalls and I ended up picking up some pretty awesome things. So let's get started. It's not going to be a long video, but I just wanted to show you some of the cool things that I ended up finding while I was there. So the first thing we're going to look at is I got this pink. Now I absolutely love pink lip gloss, pink lipstick, pink pretty much anything. If it's not pink, gold, or silver, anyways, so I found this MAC Studio pink lip gloss, and it is a matte, and it was $1. What? $1. And so let's see if I can end up opening it. And y'all, I am super excited because we have, I think Universal Yums, our next box is on the way. I have my Ipsy coming. I have not received it yet. I have, and I even got a jewelry subscription. I cannot remember the name of it for anything. I think it's Mint Mongoose, maybe? And so I'm super duper excited to be able to bring y'all the unboxings of those as soon as I get them. And I promise you for the next, if I can get this out of here, I promise you for the next video I will definitely be on camera. But like I said, I'm in the process of moving and getting everything together. This is like not able to come out of here, y'all. But this is what it looks like. I really do love the packaging. And I'm just going to swatch that a little bit for you. Ooh, that is a really pretty pink. I'm sure I'll be wearing that in one of my upcoming videos. But again, it was $1. It's the MAC Studio Mod Pink Lip Gloss. So yes, I love that. All right, let's move on to the next thing I got. This is one of my favorites. I got NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and it was $4.79 at Marshalls, and I have really been wanting to get some NYX products, and I truly love the colors of this lip cream. Let's start with, see what color this is. Do they have colors on them? I don't even think they have colors on them. I think I'm missing it. Ah, that would help y'all. This is the, what, small cone? Okay, don't mind me. Anyways, this is the 3 colors. This is the first one, okay? I'm not exactly sure what the name of it is, but I'm going to swatch this on my hands real quick. And that is that color. And it's actually, it's really pretty. It is definitely not as liquidy as the MAC Studio. The MAC Studio was really liquidy. As you can tell, it's still wet on my hand. This is the second one. This is like the purple color. And that's a really pretty shade as well. And last but not least, we have again another one of my favorite color. But this is a more deeper pink. And actually swatched, it's a little more purple toned. It is just a tad bit more purple toned. And these are all, like I said, matte. colors. And like I said before, that is $4.79, so I think I did pretty darn good. Next, let's dig into our little goodie bag. Next, I have the Essentials Contour Shading Palette for Eyes, Brows, and Face. And it's by Style Essentials. And I absolutely love this palette. That's one of the reasons I ended up getting it. And if you can just, I'll hold it up for you so you can see. It comes with the eyeshadows, the highlighter, the contours, the bronzers, brow wax, brow powder, and the brush at the bottom. So I was super duper excited about that. I will definitely, I'm not going to swatch it right now, but I will wear it in another video and end up showing you the different things you can do with it. And it was only $4.99 at Marshalls, so that was really cool. The next thing I have is this Too Faced Melted, which I got for $3 on sale. Probably because the box is a little bashed up. And this is what it looks like. It is in the color Melted Fuchsia, and you know, again, I love pink. So this totally works for me. I'm going to swatch it a little bit on my hand. And that is it right there. And if you can tell, y'all, this MAC Studio is still really, really, really wet. So we shall see about that one. But this is it right here. This is the Too Faced Melted Long Wearing Lipstick by Too Faced, like I said again, and it's Melted Fuchsia. Alrighty, and like I said, that was $3. Okay, we have 2 more things to go. This next one is actually by Body Prescriptions. It's a men's skincare product. I figured that my boyfriend would like it, or hey, I'll even try it myself because I absolutely love deep moisturizing, and it's for your face and your neck. I got this for $4.50. I'm gonna take it out of here. I just want to see how it actually does. Oh, and I absolutely, again, I am truly in love with packaging. And I think this is kind of settled in shipping or in the store. But anyways, I absolutely love packaging, and I love this packaging. Oh my goodness. It is really cool. I'll have to kind of unloosen this top and kind of mix it back around. Let me try just a little bit of it on my hand. Let's see how it comes out. Can I get any out of it? Okay. It's just kind of watery, a little bit oily. But it actually smells really good, and it is making, oh my goodness, it is making my hand so soft and moisturized. So I actually think this is going to be really cool. I will try it on him and then probably steal it back from him so that I can have it. And last but not least, which is what I think is my best item from my Marshalls haul, and that is I got Pharrell Williams Girl Cologne for boys and girls. And actually the little sticker thing fell off somewhere. Let's see what I got it for. I think it was $6. So I found the sticker. I got it for $6. And I looked online, and like at Walmart, I think it's like around $100. And again, what I loved about this, besides I did spray it and it has a lovely smell as far as a kind of cologne smell goes, but I truly love the packaging. I love this bottle. Y'all, I cannot wait. Like I said, I am moving. I cannot wait to put this on my dresser when I move. It is going to be awesome. And it smells really good. It smells like cologne, almost like a little bit of a musk, but it has a little bit of a sweet smell to it too. So I see how they've kind of made it to where it could be for boys or girls, because you can end up, I can't get enough of it, y'all, but you can end up wearing it regardless, because it has such a versatile smell. So this is it. Tell me the packaging is not freaking gorgeous. I love this. It is so adorable. And that is the last thing that I got in my haul. So let's recap. I got the Pharrell Williams Girl Cologne. I got the MAC Studio lip gloss. I got the NYX lip creams in matte. I got the Deep Moisturizing for your face and your neck by Body Prescriptions Daily Therapy. I got the Too Faced Melted Lip Wear. And last but not least, I got the Essentials Contour Shading Palette for eyes, brows, and face. So I think I did a pretty good job at Marshall's. It wasn't a big haul, but it was actually things that I really love and enjoy. Like I said, I love red or pink lipstick, red and pink. I couldn't find any red actually. But I hope you enjoyed this video. We are going to have some amazing unboxings coming up. I've got, again, Universal Yums in a couple of days. I've got Allure Beauty Box, Ipsy. I've got, for my first time, I'm excited because I'm getting Lip Monthly, so we're going to see how that goes. And I have the Mint Mongoose jewelry. So tell me what you think about this. Do you think I got a good deal? Do you think I didn't? What are some products that you enjoy that maybe I need to try out? Or what are some subscriptions that you think I should try out and do a unboxing for? So I hope you enjoy my channel. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I definitely want to hear from you. This channel is for everybody. I want to get to know you right alongside of you getting to know me. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.